welcome back. It's been a while. So it's been raining since last night. It's been continuously raining. It was just shower in the beginning, then the intensity got higher at some point, then again it turned into shower, then heavy rain. So I didn't even put on my rain liner. The reason was I was like, anyways, I'm just going home and I don't have patience to take out the rain liner and put it on and take it off if again rain stops. So yeah, I don't know. I should have, I guess, but I didn't have the capacity. My waterproof gloves are also drenched in water. That's irony. But the motivation to go home, I guess it's higher than what challenges you're facing, and that's what is happening with me. I'm just like, let's just go home. We'll see rest of the things. It doesn't matter that much. And there's just one concern I have. From Amalne to Jalgaon, on that route there's a underpass which is usually filled with water. Now that it has rained here, it's been raining here, I am little worried about that one. So to give an idea about the whole trip, it's been 2,549 kilometers till now since I left home. So let's see how many days I did the riding. So started on 18th, 19, 2 days I did the ride. I reached home on 28th of October at 4 a.m. I would not count that as a whole day. Obviously, I'll make it. So I started on. The ride on 18th of October, 3:30 p.m. Then ended the day on 20th of October, 4 a.m. So that's 2 days. If you just so that's 2 days. Then return journey, 24th, visited both Khatushyam and Salasar Balaji. Stopped somewhere near Ajmer. 25th, reached somewhere near MP Maharashtra border before Sendwa. And today is 26th. So obviously I'll be reaching home at maximum mid-afternoon. That's 12 p.m. So that's like half the day. So 2.5 days while returning and 2 days while going. So that's 4.5 days and 2,500 kilometers done so far, 2,550. We are close to that underpass, which I am really scared. Okay, I think it's bad. I should probably take that route. I have two options here. Yeah, so I just got confirmation. Thank you. Two people, they just waved at me and said, yeah, take this route. So that's the confirmation I needed. And if autos can come from here this point, I think it's okay. The problem is not that my bike won't go from this whole fiasco. See, they are pumping out water here. It's just I am tired. It's been a long journey. Oh, let's see this one. If this one turns out to be worse than that, it will be joke of the century for me. But it's okay. It's totally fine. Why did I go through that underpass then? This is better. This is okay. You'll not understand why I'm so happy. Sorry, not happy. Relieved. I should have captured that experience, man, but I had no idea what was going to happen. I didn't have the GoPro setup at that time. Okay, so I think that will be all about the return journey now. I'll just focus on the ride now, go home, take a well-deserved rest, have some food. Stuff this. So to give a conclusion on this whole ride, starting from a late afternoon journey, then going towards Gujarat. Okay, that was slushy. Okay, so going through Gujarat, it was a little boring, to be honest. I wanted to do the route which the train used to take when we traveled between Jalgaon and Bikaner. So I completed that, but conclusion wise, I think I found it little boring. But later the challenge turned out to be a different one, which was I did a 950 kilometer stretch, which I was not expecting when I left home. I reached home 2 days before I expected, which was awesome. Spent time home for Diwali, had a nice time there. While returning, visited a couple of spiritual places which I heard a lot of time while I was in Rajasthan. 15 years I heard about those places, but I never went to them. Eventually did, and I think yesterday's ride, again, it's a little challenging part, the long stretch, and today the final leg towards home. So I think it was an eventful ride. A 2500 kilometer bike did exceptionally well. It has done so far. Mileage wise and performance wise, I have no complaint. Everything has been buttery smooth on this ride from the bike's perspective, and none of the gear gave up on me either. For the riding gear, it's fine. Alright, see you later. Ride safe, stay safe. Bye. I think so. It's this one. अडकलं का? हा, इकडे येणं झालंच नाही आहे.